Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
We're so glad you could join us today.
Hello, welcome to Learning English with Megan and David.
I'm Megan.
And I'm David.
We're so happy you're here with us today.
Really happy you came back.
Today we're going to learn how to talk about your plans.
Your future plans.
What you're going to do tomorrow, next week, or next month.
This is really useful.
People ask about plans all the time.
Friends ask, what are you doing this weekend?
Coworkers ask, do you have plans for the holiday?
Family asks, what are you going to do?
And we'll make it easy.
Very easy.
Let's start with the most common way to talk about plans.
Use I'm going to, and then what you'll do.
Listen, I'm going to visit my family.
I'm going to watch a movie.
I'm going to stay home.
I'm going to clean my house.
Try it. Say, I'm going to, and something you plan to do.
Pause.
Good job.
Let's try a few more.
I'm going to cook dinner.
Try that one. I'm going to cook dinner.
Pause.
Good.
I'm going to go shopping.
Try it. I'm going to go shopping.
Pause.
Excellent.
Another way is to say, I want to.
This shows something you want to do in the future.
Listen, I want to travel.
I want to learn English.
I want to relax this weekend.
I want to see my friends.
Try it. Say, I want to, and something you want to do.
Pause.
Great.
I want to and I'm going to are a little different.
I'm going to means you have a plan.
You're really going to do it.
I want to means it's something you hope to do.
But maybe you're not sure.
Both are good.
Both are useful.
You can also say, I plan to.
This sounds a little more serious.
A little more formal.
Listen, I plan to find a new job.
I plan to move next year.
I plan to save money.
Try it. Say, I plan to, and something you plan to do.
Pause.
Great.
So now you have 3 ways to talk about the future.
I'm going to.
I want to.
I plan to.
All 3 are perfect.
Now let's talk about when.
You can add time words to your plans.
Like tomorrow, next week, this weekend.
Listen, I'm going to visit my family next week.
I want to relax this weekend.
I plan to move next month.
Try it. Say a plan with a time word.
Pause.
Perfect.
Let's learn more time words.
You can say tonight.
I'm going to watch a movie tonight.
Try it. I'm going to watch a movie tonight.
Pause.
Good. You can say this afternoon.
I'm going to go shopping this afternoon.
Try it.
Pause.
Good. You can say next year.
I want to travel next year.
Try it.
Pause.
Great.
You can also say later.
I'm going to call my mom later.
Try it. Pause.
Excellent. Let's practice with some conversations.
Listen carefully.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to stay home. Maybe watch some movies.
Nice. Sounds relaxing.
Yeah, I'm tired. I need to rest.
Did you hear that? Simple plans.
I said what I'm going to do.
And I added why.
But the main answer was simple.
Here's another one.
Do you have plans for tomorrow?
Yes, I'm going to visit a friend.
Oh, fun. Where does your friend live?
Not far, just across town.
Oh, cool.
See? Very natural.
Short answers.
Then more details if the other person asks.
Now let's practice together.
I'll ask you about your plans.
What are you doing this weekend?
Answer with your plans. Use I'm going to.
Pause.
Good. Let's try again.
Do you have plans for tomorrow?
Answer. Say what you want to do.
Pause.
Great job.
Now Megan will ask you.
What are you going to do tonight?
Answer with your plans.
Pause.
Excellent.
Now, something important.
It's okay if your plans change.
Plans change all the time.
That's normal.
That's life.
You can say, I'm not sure yet.
Listen, what are you doing this weekend? I'm not sure yet.
Try it. I'm not sure yet.
Pause.
This is a very common answer.
Especially if someone asks early in the week.
You don't have to know all your plans.
Or you can say, I don't know yet.
Listen, do you have plans? I don't know yet.
Try it. I don't know yet.
Pause.
Good.
You can also say, maybe I'll stay home.
The word maybe is very useful.
Maybe means you're not sure.
Listen, maybe I'll visit friends.
Maybe I'll go to the park.
Maybe I'll just relax.
Try it. Say a plan with maybe.
Pause.
Perfect.
Let's hear a conversation with maybe.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm not sure. Maybe I'll go shopping, or maybe I'll just stay home.
Yeah, same. I don't have any plans yet.
Did you hear that? Both people were uncertain.
And that's completely okay.
You don't always need to have plans,
Let's practice asking about plans.
because you need to know how to ask too.
The most common question is, what are you doing? And then a time.
Like, what are you doing this weekend?
Try it. What are you doing this weekend?
Pause.
Good.
You can also say, do you have plans?
Like, do you have plans for tonight?
Try it. Do you have plans for tonight?
Pause.
Perfect.
Another way is, are you doing anything?
Like, are you doing anything this weekend?
Try it. Pause.
Great.
All three questions mean the same thing.
Let's review what we learned so far.
To talk about plans, say, I'm going to, and what you'll do.
Or say, I want to, and what you want to do.
You can say, I plan to, for more serious plans.
Add time words like tomorrow, this weekend, or next week.
And you can say, I'm not sure yet, or I don't know yet, if plans aren't certain.
You can say maybe if you're not sure.
All of these are perfect.
Very natural English.
In part 2, we'll learn how to make plans with other people,
How to invite someone to do something.
and how to accept or decline an invitation.
This is really useful.
You'll use this all the time.
See you in part 2.
You're doing wonderful.
Really wonderful.
Welcome back to part 2.
We're so glad you're here.
Thank you for continuing with us.
In part 1, we learned how to talk about your own plans.
We learned I'm going to, I want to, and I plan to.
We learned time words like tomorrow and this weekend.
And we learned to say I'm not sure yet or maybe.
Now let's learn how to make plans with other people.
How to invite someone to do something.
The easiest way is to say, do you want to? And then the activity.
Listen, do you want to get coffee?
Do you want to watch a movie?
Do you want to go out this weekend?
Do you want to have lunch?
Try it. Say, do you want to, and an activity.
Pause.
Good job.
You can also add a time.
Like, do you want to get coffee tomorrow?
Or, do you want to have lunch this afternoon?
Try it with a time.
Pause.
Perfect.
Another way to invite someone is to say, would you like to?
This is a little more formal.
A little more polite.
Listen, would you like to have dinner?
Would you like to come to my house?
Try it. Would you like to have dinner?
Pause.
Good.
Both ways are good.
Do you want to is more casual.
Would you like to is more formal.
Use whichever feels comfortable.
Now let's learn how to accept an invitation.
The simplest way is to say, yes, sure.
Or, yes, I'd love to.
Listen to this conversation.
Do you want to get coffee tomorrow?
Yes, sure. What time?
How about 10 a.m.?
Perfect. I'll see you then.
Did you hear that? Yes, sure.
Very simple.
Try it. Say yes, sure. Pause. Or you can say, yes, I'd love to.
This sounds more enthusiastic.
Try it. Yes, I'd love to. Pause.
Perfect.
You can also say, that sounds great.
Or, that sounds good.
Listen, do you want to go to the park? That sounds great. Try it. That sounds great. Pause.
Good.
Now, what if you can't accept?
What if you're busy or you don't want to go?
That's okay. You can politely decline.
Politely means in a nice way.
Say, sorry, I can't.
Listen, do you want to go out tonight? Sorry, I can't. I'm busy.
Try it. Sorry, I can't. Pause.
Good.
It's good to give a reason.
Like, I'm busy, or I'm tired, or I have to work.
This sounds more polite.
Listen, do you want to have lunch? Sorry, I can't. I have a meeting.
Try it. Sorry, I can't. I have a meeting. Pause.
Perfect.
You can also say, I can't tonight, but maybe another time.
This is very polite.
It shows you want to see them, just not now.
Try it. I can't tonight, but maybe another time.
Pause.
Great.
Or you can suggest a different time.
Listen, do you want to meet today? I can't today, but how about tomorrow?
Try it. I can't today, but how about tomorrow? Pause.
Excellent.
You can also say, I'm not sure, let me check.
This means you need to think about it or check your schedule.
Or check your schedule.
Listen, do you want to come to dinner? I'm not sure. Let me check my schedule.
Try it. I'm not sure, let me check. Pause.
Good.
Now let's practice some conversations.
Listen to this one.
Hey Megan, do you want to go to the park this weekend?
Yes, I'd love to. What day?
How about Saturday?
Saturday works for me. What time?
Maybe 2 p.m.?
Perfect. I'll see you then.
Did you hear that? Very natural.
I accepted the invitation.
Then we decided on a time.
Let's hear another one.
Do you want to watch a movie tonight?
Sorry, I can't tonight. I'm tired. Maybe tomorrow?
Sure, tomorrow works.
Great. I'll text you tomorrow.
See? Polite and friendly.
I declined, but I suggested another time.
So the conversation stayed positive. Now let's practice together.
I'll invite you to do something.
Do you want to get coffee this afternoon?
Now you answer. Accept or decline.
Pause.
Good. Let's try again.
Do you want to go shopping this weekend?
Answer again. Say yes or no.
Pause.
Great job.
One more.
Do you want to come to my house for dinner?
Answer. You can say yes, no, or maybe.
Pause.
Excellent work.
Now you try inviting someone.
Think of an activity.
Invite me to do something. Say, do you want to?
Pause.
Good job.
Did you invite me?
If you did, I accept. That sounds great.
Now let's talk about making plans with more details.
Sometimes you need to decide on a time and place.
You can ask, what time? Or where do you want to meet?
Listen to this conversation. Do you want to have lunch tomorrow?
Yes, sure. What time?
How about noon?
Noon works. Where do you want to meet?
How about that cafe on Main Street?
Perfect. I'll see you there.
Did you hear that? We decided everything.
The time and the place.
Let's practice that.
I'll invite you. Do you want to meet for coffee?
You accept and ask about the time. Say, sure, what time?
Pause.
How about 3 p.m.?
Now you say if that works. Say, that works, or 3 p.m. is good. Pause.
Great. Where should we meet?
Suggest a place. Say, how about, and a place. Pause.
Perfect. See you then.
Excellent. You just made complete plans in English.
That was a full conversation.
You should feel proud.
Now let's talk about changing plans.
Sometimes you need to cancel plans.
That happens to everyone.
You can say, I'm sorry, I can't make it.
Make it means come or be there.
Listen, I'm sorry, I can't make it tomorrow.
Try it. I'm sorry, I can't make it.
Pause.
Good.
You should give a reason.
Like, I'm sorry, I can't make it. Something came up.
Something came up means something unexpected happened.
Try it. Something came up.
Pause.
Perfect.
You can also say, can we reschedule?
Rescheduling means changing to a different time.
Say, can we reschedule?
Or, can we do it another day?
Try it. Can we reschedule? Pause.
Good.
Let's review everything from part 1 and part 2.
To talk about your plans, say, I'm going to, I want to, or I plan to.
To invite someone, say, do you want to, and the activity.
To accept, say, yes, sure, or yes, I'd love to, or that sounds great.
To decline, say, sorry, I can't, and give a reason.
You can say maybe another time to stay polite.
You can say, I'm not sure, let me check if you're not sure.
To ask about details, say what time or where.
To cancel plans, say, I'm sorry, I can't make it.
All of these phrases are natural and polite.
You can use them every day. Let me tell you something important.
Making plans in English can feel scary.
But it gets easier every time.
Start with friends who know you're learning.
They'll be patient.
They'll be supportive.
And remember, it's okay to say no.
You don't have to say yes to everything.
Saying no politely is a good skill.
Now, here's your challenge.
This week, make one plan in English.
It can be with a friend, a coworker, anyone.
Invite them to do something. Say, do you want to get coffee? Or do you want to have lunch?
Just try it once,
You'll feel so proud,
even if it feels uncomfortable.
even if you're nervous.
Just try.
And if someone invites you, practice accepting or declining in English.
These are real-life situations.
This is how you learn.
We believe in you.
You're doing amazing work.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time.
Keep practicing. You're doing great.
Really great. Bye for now.
Bye.
Please subscribe to the channel.
See you next time.